Hey, Chris. Paul Walker here. I just got done listening to the episode with Steve Hamry from Lithia Motor Group, and my fiance is a hairstylist, and what they do in the salon she works at is they have associates, which is basically be an apprentice. And when that associate is ready to move from an apprentice role into a full-service stylist role, basically, they have to recruit their replacement. So, you know, you get that lube tech that you want to move out of the service, out of the lube bay into maybe a C-tech role or something. You know, he's going to be more relatable to these kids that are in tech school, be more, you know, have the same common interests, and you know, he could replace himself, and then you would take that step of recruiting out. So not really a question, just more of a statement. Just stumbled upon your show recently and really love it. You guys put out some really great content, especially for free. Knowing what she's going through in the stylist world and the hair salon world, you know, you guys put out more stuff than they do.
Yeah, so it's a statement question, but he's saying that in the salon world, they will hire entry-level apprentices, and in order to move up and be a stylist with your own station and all that, you also have to recruit in somebody to replace you as an apprentice.
Oh, wow.
And with the shortage of technicians, that seems like a really hard thing to expect quick lube techs to recruit somebody, but it also, I don't know, we've never tried it, so I was wondering what you thought of that from your perspective.
I mean, it's not a bad idea. It does put a little more pressure on that actual tech that wants to move up with, besides the work stress, now that they have to go out and find somebody that wants to take their spot. And, you know, I guess sucker them in is not the right word, but
sucker them in is the right word. That's exactly the right word.
Fair. Yeah. Fair judgment.
Yeah, I think it would. It's a great idea, Paul. I think it would be interesting to try it. I think that the culture at the dealership would have to be really strong, and you'd have to have an environment of performance with a lot of talented techs, because those younger kids coming in need role models to look up to. And then if they aspire to be like those role models, and those role models are high paid, very efficient technicians, it would be worth it. But I think in a lot of shops, they don't look up to those other techs that much because they're not that high performing, and they're not making that much money. So there's, you know, in an industry that faces over 50% turnover in the first 2 years with quick lube techs coming in, it's you know, it's a hard situation. But I love the idea, and I just, you know, I also love learning about other industries and how salons or restaurants or anybody does anything. Thanks so much for watching this clip of Service Driving Revolution. We're uploading new stuff every day, so make sure you subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss out. If you have a question you'd like us to answer on the show, call 8333-ASK-SDR and we'll answer your question on the show. That's 8333-ASK-SDR. For special deals on our books and training, head over to offers.chriscollinsinc.com. Now that's offers.chriscollinsinc.com. I'm Chris Collins, and I'll see you in the next video.